Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Thursday, March the 5th. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of the 10-year notes. This is CN. We can see right here. Now the 10-year notes has already made a new all-time high. Right, it's amazing. The bonds is amazing. It's been in 30 years bull market and continues to go up. You can see from 1985 continues to make all-time high. Now the topic of the long-term outlook is very fascinating, but we're gonna be spending a lot of time if we were gonna talk about the long-term view of this 10-year notes. So we'll just limit it to the more shorter cycle, and we can see right here we completed with 3 here at the peak with 3 in black, and then now doing this with 4 pullback. It could be in the sequence of 3 7 11 swing, right? So the idea that this is a wave 4. Now let me zoom out so you understand what kind of pullback we're expecting here. If I look at the daily, it's not a complete count, but it's sufficient for our short-term purpose. Okay, so we got 3 and 4 here, which is 3 and 4. Okay, so this is your 1 and 2 here, right? This is your 1 and 2 more or less. So the starting point is going to be in the December 2019. All right, December 2019 is our starting point. Now from here it looks like, now I think there is no question that the trend has been bullish. If you look at the weekly, there is no question the trend is bullish. So you will try to label the move higher as an impulse because the trend is clearly bullish, right? It's been bullish for the last 30 years. And so here you have what looks to be a 3 waves with a sort of an impulsive move here. This is when the indices sold off last week drastically. This is like people are in fear and that this is move everything into the bond. So this is rallying tremendously here, and you got what looks to be incomplete 5 waves from December 2019, right? Because you got a 3 swings, you got a very impulsive characteristic here, and also extension. Also, let me double check here the extension. Now you see it hits 161.8% perfectly, right? This 3 here. So that is telling you that that's most likely with 3 only. Okay. Also, you can see no divergence whatsoever in the momentum here. It's the strongest momentum. That's telling you that most likely we're still going to see more upside. So if we are indeed in the wave 4, then you can just use retracement to give you some ideas. Easiest ways to use retracement here. All right, if you do some retracement measurement here, now you find out that this is typically as a guideline can be the place where wave 4 can end between 134 and 135, right? And going back to the shorter cycle now, so we're looking for a correction here. So it should be in the form of a 3 or 7 or 11 swing, right? So this is the first 3 waves here going on. We are calling this as an ABC. We got A, B, and this one we can have one more leg lower here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the area to finish the ABC most likely is gonna be this area here. That's when it reaches the equality 134, 135. So as you can see here, another leg lower can bring us to 134.1, 135.09. If you look at the retracement, that is more or less this 23.6, 38.2. So that means in fact we do not need to do a bigger pullback. We can do that. Definitely it is within the realm of possibility. We can do a double correction, WXY. However, even the 3 pullback here can be enough for the correction to finish, and then we can start to reverse to the upside again, and break to new high in a wave 5. Now remember, the idea is the right side is higher, so we are looking for the upside overall. That's the sort of the right side, the main bias. So if we see any kind of proposed move like this, that doesn't necessarily mean this is bearish or this is something that is going to drop as low as this. No, not necessarily, right? This is considered correction against the right side, which is up. And you can see that our chart clearly say we prefer to trade only in the direction of the green or the red right side tag, entering at blue box. We don't like trading turning up, turning down arrow. So that means this move, for example, is against the direction of the green tag. So that's not something that is supposed to be traded, in other words, right? If we are looking at from trading perspective. So here again, we should be looking for a correction to find support, and then it should extend higher again at least one more time to finish a complete 5 waves up from December 2019. Okay, so hope that this is clear, and if you do enjoy our video, please do like and subscribe. We also got 14 days free trial as well as current promotion 2 for 1. So I will provide all the links in the description of the video below. I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.